Hey, Jackie, man. Hi. How you doing? What are you up to? We're sitting here watching Jack getting close to rolling over. And Mommy putting on his clothes.
There you go.
Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie, man. How are you? Hi. Hey, dude. Are you going to roll over for Mommy and Daddy? You're so close. Yes, you are. We're so proud of you. You eating up that elephant? You're just about to do it. He does like a half roll over on his side, just trying to get his shoulders and his head to follow. Mommy took down the side there so that you can, oh, almost. That was so close, Jackie. Oh, that, gotta get that momentum going, dude.
He's almost on a 180.
Yeah, because
you have to
yes,
down here first.
his head, yeah, he's completely flipped himself around. You know what he's doing? He's breakdancing.
Yeah.
He's doing little backspins, little windmills. Jackie, are you going to roll over for Mommy and Daddy? Whoa, that was close. You're so close, man. Yeah, you are. Whoa. There's, oh. You're almost doing it. Come on, Jackie. Can you roll over? A little close up on the face. Is that the kitty?
He's not going to do it today.
Hi, Jackie. Hi, Mr. Man. How are you, handsome boy? Oh, that's a foot in the frame.
Jack. Hey, Papa.
Well, we're getting some half rolls in. Oh, whoa. Yeah. We're so proud of you, Jackie. Yeah. Look at you learning to use those legs and back and arms. You just get that head to follow and those shoulders, you're good to go. Yes, you are. Hi, Jackie. Yes. How are you? How are you, Jackie, man? Are you going to roll over for Daddy? Are you? Daddy wants to see it happen. Jackie, man. Can you roll over for Daddy? You just going to think about it for a minute? Can you roll over for Daddy? Can you? Daddy would love to see you roll over. Can you do it? Oh. There it is. Good boy, Jackie. Good boy. Daddy is so proud of you. Can you roll back? Okay. That was Jackie on camera rolling from his tummy to his back. Looks like he's trying to roll back the other way. Mommy and Daddy are so proud of you, Jackie. Making his way. Next thing you know, you're going to be crawling and standing up and then walking. Oh, his favorite, his elephant. Oh, Jackie loves his elephant. There you go, Jackie. Good job. All righty. Yeah. Good job, Jackie. Yeah. You're so accomplished, Mr. Man. Mommy and Daddy love you. All righty. I think we got the main action shot. Good deal, Jackie. Okay, we'll come back soon. Congrats on the rollover on the camera. Hey, Jack. Bye-bye. We're going to see if we can get you again. Can we get you again? All right. See if we can get a second rollover. We may be pushing our luck here. You going to do it for Daddy? Are you going to do a rollover? Oh. Looks like you're getting ready. There he goes. Congratulations. That's 2 for 2, Jack. Good job. Daddy is so proud of you. Yeah. Looks like you almost want to roll back the other way. Sure does. Wowee. Mr. Roly-Poly. No problem. Congratulations, Jack Lewis Mahalik. All right. Daddy just wanted to get it again. That was just so impressive. Yeah, okay. I know you're getting fussy. All right. Talk to you soon. Mommy, Daddy love you. Bye-bye.